Hello everyone, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking comparison between the Google Pixel 9a and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus smartphone to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, daily usage, gaming performance, and in terms of the benchmarking test score results. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. We have already performed all of them and we will just have a quick look on the test score result. First of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus scored 746,199 and Google Pixel 9a scored 1.305360 million points. So as you can see, the winner is Google Pixel 9a as it is scoring nearly 90% more points compared to what we got on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in all of these four, performance of Google Pixel 9a is better compared to Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, and that's why in this test the winner is Google Pixel 9a. Now if you go back from here to the next test for today, and that's the Geekbench 6. So this test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So as you can see, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G scored 1001 in single core, 3054 in multi-core, and Google Pixel 9a scored 1881 in single core, 4651 in multi-core. So in both single core and multi-core of the CPU test, performance of Pixel 9a is better. Now if you go back from here to the GPU test, in this, Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G scored 3334 and Pixel 9a scored 7722. So the Pixel 9a is scoring twice of what we are getting on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. So in Geekbench 6 as well, the winner is Pixel 9a. Now if we go to the 3D Mark. So this is a GPU benchmarking test and it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So here we got multiple tests. First of all, let's start with wildlife. So as you can see, the Pixel 9a totally maxed out in the wildlife test, and Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G scored 3653 with 21.88 average FPS. But if you have a look in this section of the frame rate, you can see Pixel 9a generated 37 FPS to 67 FPS, so the average will be around 50 FPS, and it's more than double of what we are getting on our Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Now if we go to the wildlife extreme, in this Pixel 9a scored 2611 with 15.64 average FPS, and Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus scored 1043 with 6.25 average FPS. So once again the winner is Pixel 9a. Now if we go to the Still Nomad Lite, in this Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus scored 341 with 2.53 average FPS, and Pixel 9a scored 1048 with 7.76 average FPS. So in this test as well, the winner is Pixel 9a. So as you can see, in all of these tests we have performed on both of these smartphones, performance of Pixel 9a is way better compared to Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5, as it comes with better and more powerful chipset compared to what we got on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. So in terms of performance, the Pixel 9a is going to be better, especially if you're talking about the gaming capability of the device. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you enjoyed watching it, then share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.